Need to convert your iPhone photos into a shareable, archivable PDF? Let's jump right in and see how. First, we will use iOS's built-in features. Open the Photos app and select the image you want to convert, then tap the share icon, usually a square with an up arrow. Scroll down until you find the print option and tap it. This will bring up the print preview. Now, here's the magic. Using your thumb and a finger, do a pinch-out gesture on the photo preview. This expands the image, transforming it into a PDF document. Next, tap the share icon again. From here, you can save the PDF to your Files app, send it via email, or share it through other apps on your iPhone. Now, let's explore an alternative using the Files app. Open the Files app. If you have your photos already saved in files like from a quick AirDrop or a download, you are golden. Otherwise, create a new folder to store them. Tap and hold the photo you want to convert, and select Create PDF. This feature does the heavy lifting for you immediately. Then, you can again share it, archive it, or just keep the photo stored. Finally, for more advanced options, consider third-party apps from the App Store such as iLoveEpt or PDF Expert. These apps offer features like batch conversions, photo editing, and even document merging. Simply download your chosen app, follow the on-screen instructions to import your photos, and convert them to PDFs. And that's it. Converting photos to PDFs on your iPhone is a breeze. Whether using iPhone features or third-party apps, you can seamlessly share and archive your memories in a preferred format. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips.